Let's learn how you can enable screen sharing on Zoom. So I will show you this with Zoom application on desktop. What you can do, you can also join from web browser, but it's a bit different from there. You will have to go to schedule there and enable your own meeting. On application, you will start your meeting right here. I already started, so it says return to meeting. If we go here, it will open our meeting. How you can share your screen. Just click on share button, and here it will appear a new pop-up with every page or application that's running on your laptop or Windows. Now you can just click on screen and click on share, and it will start sharing your screen. When you want to stop, just click on stop sharing and it returns back to normal. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.